Hey guys. So we have a little haul. Oh my gosh. Sorry, we just had a
From
cake pop.
Target.
Cake pop. Yes, from Target because we actually just went to Canopy. But we're at Target now.
It started raining, but then we were like, we're probably just gonna go to the mall, but then it stopped raining. And
Yeah.
it was like, oh, you're staying at Canopy. And then it stopped raining. And then at the end of it, we were like, there's really no more rides to go on. And all the water rides were closed anyway. So we just went to Target. We had a candy apple.
Yeah, it was
very interesting.
humongous. It was like probably this. Even bigger than that because I can't
It's like
really.
that big.
Yeah. Very.
And yeah.
But we have a haul. She's gonna go first though.
Whoosh.
Okay, she's gonna go first. Okay, so we're gonna do our first category is candy.
So for my candy like gummy, I got Sour Punch mini they're 2 chocolate style like bite size ones.
I might try it, but I got the same thing. I'm gonna try this. Don't mind how bad the ink is.
I'm gonna try mine as well.
Okay, so I actually have had this before.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for
Yeah,
you.
they were,
Ready?
3, 2,
1. That's the good stuff. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, we're gonna do beauty. I got one thing. I never had this before. I got the pink hibiscus tree hut little scrub, and it smells delicious.
I got the same exact thing actually. With Grace and Stella Energizing Eye Mask. And then I got because I have like curly-ish hair, and it's like for frizz control, and I have really frizzy hairs as you can tell. So I got that. It's like a mini. And then so got a lippy pencil. It's like in the shade.
The lip liner, probably.
It's in the shade Oh Snap from the brand ColourPop. It's really good. It's yeah. So yeah.
Okay,
I'm
so
not gonna open it yet.
we got
But
toys.
I got Mini Brands Fashion Series 4 one.
I got the new one that had the bouquet, and I got LPS
Not bouquet. It's not a bouquet.
boutiques. And
So
I
it,
really
like,
want the
comes in a
Axel one.
bouquet though.
Well, there's probably more that's there, but the only one I'm gonna open is the LPS. So I don't really care what I get. I just really want the golden retriever.
How about you show them first and show me first?
Okay.
Before you like show yourself.
Oh wait, I can't get the card. Okay.
I'll see.
Gotta be very careful.
I get it.
Okay. Okay.
You guys, I'll look first.
Then close my eyes. Please don't tell me it's a bird. 'Cause
Oh my god. It's not a bird though.
I have this one.
You do? That's really sad.
That's not the right guys. We do actually have to go. Because my sister says she's just paying right now.
She's
Yeah.
paying.
That's everything we got. And thanks for watching our little
I'm
Parker home.
gonna do another haul where I actually open this. So just stay tuned on my channel. So yeah, and I'm gonna try on my things. So
Bye guys.